Hello friends, in this video of Arduino fundamentals, we will learn how to run a Blink program on your Arduino Uno. So first of all, open the Arduino IDE on your PC. Thereafter, go to File, Examples, then Basics, and then Blink. So this is the code for Blink. Here you can see this void setup is basically initializing the pin mode in which you wish to receive the output. The LED built in is pin number 13 of the Arduino Uno. Now connect the Arduino Uno. Thereafter, click on Tools. Select the board as Arduino Uno. Then again click on Tools. Select the port COM as COM7. This will appear different on different PCs. Click on the communication port and then Upload. Here you can see the code is being uploaded to the Arduino Uno and it shows done uploading. Thereafter, you will see your LED blinking on pin number 13 with a 1 second high and after a delay again a 1 second high. Hope this helps.